Oui. Okay, so I just wanted to requote the on page Kuf Sadi Hey. You don't have to look at it, but it says Adne Hashem Atach Hilos the Haros as Abducha as Gedolcha as a Godlucha. So apparently this was a little place that we missed, as we said yesterday, and now we're going to be going over that phrase, which is Hashem Elokim Atach Hilosa. So let's see. We get down to number bet over here. Number bet says Bishar Ma'amari Rashbi. In regard to this phrase, it says Hosiv Khan Bir Sheni Besugim Bezel Shono. He says Adni Elokim Atachachilosa as etc. as Godcha Hashem Shlim Besitroy, and it says Hashem is complete. That's the rest of Pasuk, yes, or that's the rest of the SIFRA. After the forest, the shame Hachavaya Benikudas Elokim, that is when you menacate it with the name Elokim like that. He says why? Ki Zer Anpin Shalom Benikeva Imo. That's when Zer Anpin is complete. That indicates that the female aspect is with him. Ki Shem Ben Arba Arba. That is the name Havaya itself. Yora LeZohar LeZer Anpin. The Nikud Elokim, when you put that inside of it, it's a yichud. He says, Yora, the Nekeva Shehi B'tzida Shenikra Elokim, which she is on his side, his backside, really. Adkan. This is a different idea. El Sham, he says, Shaharacha the Eichel Bebira Pasuk. Over there, they explain the Pasuk. Ata Hachilosa. Bishas Ivor, that's really talking about the time of gestation. Going back to this, V'roz halozer anpin enu shalem benukfe. Kamo shebecher b'shecher b'mari Rashbi. So it seemed like two different times. The Indian shlim ha'indra benukva that really talks about zer anpin. When he has the nukva, when we point, I'm not sure exactly what he means about it. He's kind of saying like this: is Zer Anpin is Shalim, not Shalim, when he's in the womb. I'm not sure what he means, where his place is. Let me go back a little bit. Hello, Zer Anpin enu Shalim benukve. He says Ata Hakilosi Iri B'Shas Ivor. That's in the Ivor stage. And what? You can't recognize the nukva? Not quite sure. Kamo Shabir B'Shar Mamari Rashbecha, the Indian Shlim Chayna Benukvecha Kamavuri Be'inyan Havaya Shlim Besitroy. Rayla Holon, we'll see this later on. V'yesh la'ayin echiz ba'arecha hamshecha divrecha sifra d'tzniut d'vicha bir sheni the Shar Mamari Rashbecha Nizgar ki kol hamshecha b'bir hashar hashar Mamari Rashbi Besugib Shaykh Rak Lefi Habir Harishon Hanal. It really refers only to the first beer. Let's see a little bit more. We have just a little bit more time. Let's see what it says. It says Umitzanda Rabiki Bir Shani the Shar Mamari Rashbech Nizkar. Hain Divriham Ramaka or Yakor. So he says they actually come from the Ramaka or Yakor. And he says number Kaf is really short right down below. He says, let me get this over here a little bit more. He says ve'efsher so he took some of the writings of the Ratz and he took it into his own writings. A lot of places where his teacher, he learned from the Ramak. Look over there, etc., etc. Let's go on then. From number Kaf in the bigger print. This word Hashem, Ata Hachilosa, so if you began so Pirish, Sham, so explain over there. Shem Ben Arba'am Nekudos Elokim, so the name of Elokim, which has 4 Nekudos, Elokim, I don't know. Mora Shem Ben Arba Havaya really is referring to the name of 4 letters. Shehu Tiferes Zer Anpin, which is the same thing as Tiferes Zer Anpin, Shlim B'Sitroi. It's complete on its side. Pirosh Shalem Batzal also, that Sal was referring to the Nukva. Ki ein zer anpin shalom ala behiyos nekeva chimoka dechsev ZOHAR v'nekeva baruch v'yikrach shemam Adam. Im hiyos Hashem Hashem b'nekudus Elokim, that the name of Hashem, when it's menukad with Elokim, Ramos bebina, really is a reference over there. It says to bina. Lo yorach b'chal b'chinas Yom Kippurim. It's not talking about Yom Kippurim. She'ein bo tashmi shemita, which is a time when there's no yichud. Ela adarabba yora al yichud teferes and malchus, but it's as talking in fact about the yichud of teferes and malchus. Lezeh, the name Adni, v'hal malchus, and then Havaya, which refers to teferes. Misyachid imachakei Havaya Elokim, so it becomes that Havaya Elokim. You see it within the name itself. Adkan. I think that's what he means. The v'hemshek devar b'shachem b'vur sheyesh hevdel bein shem Elokim shehu b'bina levado, by herself, v'yora al b'chinos Yom Kippurim, and over there it wants to talk about the aliyah, I guess, of Malchus to Bina, and therefore it's talking about b'chinos Yom Kippurim she'ein bo tashvis amita, but that's a time when the two of them will not be together. Maimer, where it says Tad Shech Aretz, that particular phrase that we had also in this particular section of the SIFRA Tzniuta. Shenem b'bachar v'rak Elokim. Over there it only says the name Elokim, which is the Oz lo shlim benukve. So then benukve, it's not complete with the female part. Amnam kan, but we see over here, what is that? Where it says achilos, that pertains to Avayo, he says the emer b'vaya b'nikud Elokim. This is a shlemus. This means that it's complete with its nukva. The yesh yichud zer anpin v'no zer v'nuk v'af al gab shehi gam kain b'chinas v'bina kanashis b'bina at the same time, or what? He says it really refers to the yichud, the time that they're miyuchad, miyached. Okay, we have a couple more minutes. Let's see if we just get started with the Pirush Marim Saruki said Bir Hapad, the pasuk Zecher ba'Arei b'Yom Kippurim. Now he says it really refers to Yom Kippurim. Behind it be'idin hamshachas shefa chasadim megavuros the zer anpin v'nuk v'lezer v'nuk. So what are we saying here exactly? Shuhu b'koach b'sichos yud gimel memidas the micho. This is why, because at this time we're able to do that in order to, at the time of the yud gimel midas and miko our Yom Kippurim come down. V'zel d'shana v'omer b'hai zimna adni havaya. He says at achachilosa. So here's adni havaya. Kolomba bisman hazeh, at this moment shuhu me'erev Yom Kippurim. Ad Yom Kippurim Kula, until you get to the entire, the Shas and Ne'ilah, that is all the time, up until the time of Ne'ilah. Hazkira b'pasuk Adnei Havaya b'nikud Elokim, the Ramos, the Yud Gimel Midas, and they, because of Havaya Elokim, it's a reference to the 13 Midas and Niskarim misfatchim b'yom zeh, that open up at this time. She'eim mi keo kamocha, etc. No say Avon. These are the 13 Midas in Micho. V'az Adni, that's named Adar b'shulchan meduvakis ba'ach, which is really the female aspect is really stuck onto the back of the male aspect. Im chavaya, together with the vaya shehu zer anpin. V'yonkim shnechem me'ima, and this is an indication that they are both getting shefa at this time from Ima, which I guess he said was the 13. Shehem hanikud shel Elokim, which shows you in Elokim, which is the Imadik part, Im Havaya v'Adni Yachad. So he said v'Oz Am Moshe. So then Moshe says like this: Adni Havaya, Atachakilosa. Has chalas l'chavira v'Shefa. That's what it's talking about. It's bringing the Shefa, which comes through the 13. As Avdecha, your Avdecha Shuhu Zer Anpen Bechlal. What does he mean by Klal? O parto acher kach as Gadlucha Heinrich HaChasadim, as Yad HaChazalka, Heinrich HaGevuros, is getting all of that, Hashem Mikel, B'Shemayim V'Aretz, Kiver HaVedas, Shemechaber HaChasadim V'Gevuros. So this is referring to Das, which is bringing the Chasadim and Gevuros together. V'Nosa, the Zer Anpin V'Nukva, and they both get this Shefa, they get this Shefa from Das. Behind the Amakra B'Shemayim, who is there. Where are we? Where is B'Shemayim Shuhu Zer Anpin Ba'aretz Shukul Nukve Ad Kan. So that's both of them getting the Shefa. That's what he says is happening over there, and I guess that's it. That's all we're going to do today. So we'll see you on the back end. God willing.